Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on Bold Reports. I will show you how to install the Bold Reports server application in a Windows environment when Bold BI is already installed. The Bold Reports server is a powerful self-service reporting solution designed to simplify creating, managing, and distributing interactive, visually appealing reports. It transforms raw data into actionable insights while ensuring secure, centralized access within your organization's network. The platform offers flexible data integration from various sources including SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and REST APIs. Let's start by downloading the Report Server application. Log into the Bold Reports accounts page. If you don't have an account, you can start your 15-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button. After logging in, you will be directed to the My Dashboard page. Select Downloads in the Downloads section. The files are in exe and zip formats. I download the exe format. To proceed with the installation, you need to enable IIS on your machine. I have shared a link to the documentation on how to enable it in this video's description. Next, let me install the report server. To run the setup file, I double-click the downloaded file. The Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting Setup dialog box will open. I click License Terms and Conditions to review the terms. Check the checkbox to agree to the terms, and click Next to move to the Install Settings screen. Click Yes to proceed with the installation using a common login. If you select Yes to proceed with the installation using the common login for both Bold BI and Bold Reports, the installer will automatically detect the existing Bold BI hosting details and display them in the following web hosting type. Click Next to continue to the Deploy Chromium Packages page. By default, the Download Chromium Packages option is enabled, supporting image and PDF export functionalities for reports and widgets. Click Next to move to the Deploy Data Hub page. The Bold Data Hub loads data from multiple sources into PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, and Apache Doris. Click Next to navigate to the Consent to Deploy Client Libraries. To connect with the data from Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Snowflake, accept their terms and conditions. Here I select All to accept all the client library's terms and conditions. And click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, launch the application by clicking Launch Application. Log in with the admin username and password, which are already registered in Bold BI. After logging in, the dashboard page will open. Click on your profile and select Manage Sites to manage sites. Next, navigate to Settings to manage license and select Bold Reports. Then, click Login to activate the account and register on the site. After logging in, your subscription details will be displayed on the Manage License page. Finally, after registering the license, I manually create the site for Bold Reports from the Site Management page. I click Create Site on the Sites page. Bold Products supports multi-tenancy. A tenant is an isolated site that has its own database for managing its reports and resources. The tenant type field represents the tenant for Bold Products. I choose Enterprise Reporting as the tenant type and add the site name as Bold Reports Enterprise Reporting. As I have already hosted the Bold BI application with the site identifier field value set to Site 1, I now add the site identifier field as Site 2. By default, the Enterprise Reporting branding is chosen. The localization, date, and time format and branding images are copied automatically when creating the tenant. If you want to copy them from the Bold ID, select Bold ID. Next, I need to configure the database to store the report server data. You can store reports in SQL Server or Azure SQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL, or Oracle databases. I choose Microsoft SQL for this demo. And enter the necessary fields in Select Database to configure a database for the Bold Reports server. Then I navigate to Select Storage. By default, file storage is enabled. You can also choose Azure Blob Storage to store and manage report files and resources securely and efficiently. Next, you need to configure data security. A custom attribute is a piece of code that acts like a parameter, which is replaced anywhere in the query by users. Attributes are name-value pairs that are associated with users, groups, and sites. I have shared the documentation link on how to configure custom attributes for your reference. I choose the administrator to be added as the admin user, who can access resources and manage users, groups, and their permissions within their corresponding site. I click the Create and Launch Site button to start up the application. When the process starts, the report tenant deployment runs in the background. After it's completed, you can manage sites or design reports. To access these features, click Go to Reports. On the Reports page, you'll find sample reports already added to the report server. Simply click a report to open it on a new window. In this video, I have shown you how to install Bold Reports over Bold BI. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.